One of the features that sets Kairos apart is the ability to do screens management. If you're trying to manage an LED wall, multiple displays, or any kind of unique canvas, Kairos can manage all of those screens for you at a very low latency. Let me show you one of the features that allows you to move layers anywhere in your canvas at a pixel for pixel basis. I'm inside of Kairos Creator, and I want to create a new scene that has a unique aspect ratio to move different layers across that scene on a pixel for pixel basis. I will right mouse click, create a new scene. We'll call this 32 by 9. And press OK. Once I've selected this new scene, I'll utilize the canvas feature set by going to the advanced menu and enabling a different resolution. I'll type in 3840 by 1080 to work in this 32 by 9 aspect ratio. In traditional switchers, we're used to using transform settings to move items across different MEs or scenes inside of our system. However, inside of Kairos, I can add a position effect that allows me to move layers on a pixel for pixel basis. I've assigned this pixel position effect to layer 1. I'm going to route an internal source, and we'll just use color bars for now, to this layer 1. I can rename this layer if I want to, but for now we'll leave it layer 1. Now that we've routed an internal source to layer 1, I'm going to route a looping motion background to our background layer. I'll select layer 1 and go to our pixel position effect. I'm going to enable it and move it 500 pixels to the right. Press enter, go to my multi-view, live view, and we will see that we've moved layer 1 500 pixels to the right. If I'd like to move that layer 500 pixels down, I would just type in 500 pixels under my Y value, press enter, and now inside of my live view, I have it moved down 500 pixels.